Good afternoon. Welcome to the Wildlife Week Program 2020. I am Kashmira Pohnekar from TYBSC, and today I would like to talk to you about the beauty of coral of Maldives and threats to the coral reef. The purpose of this presentation is to spread awareness about the massive destruction of the coral and its marine diversity. My presentation is divided into three parts. I'll begin with the beautiful beaches of the Maldives, and then I'll be looking at the pollution which is affecting on the corals, and finally the solution to save them from fading away. Let me start with some general information about Maldives. Maldives is a small island nation situated in Indian Ocean. It is old over 2500 years, and so is its marine diversity. The islands are home to more than 1,000 coral reefs and a vibrant ecosystem that provide a home for marine life. To experience these heartwarming beaches of Maldives and the corals, it has become a very famous tourist attraction. Almost more than 1 million people visit Maldives every year. As to talk about the corals, what the corals actually are. Corals are nothing but animals. They are made up of thousands of polyps. The reefs are formed when these free-living coral larvae attach to submerged rocks, and hence the marine diversity is created, which is home to 1,000 species. As we know the importance of corals, that they are home for thousands of species. Along with the important feature is that these corals do not age. And according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, coral reef plants and animals are important sources of new medicine being developed to treat cancer, arthritis, human bacterial diseases, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, viruses, and other various diseases. Well, as being this famous tourist attraction, there are lots of drawbacks. The increasing tourism and pollution has caused fading of corals at a very high rate. In Maldives, there is an island called Thilafushi, which is a dumping ground, and more than 330 tons of rubbish is brought to Thilafushi per day. The garbage, non-recyclable waste, electronic waste, the waste from the resorts and lodges are all over dumped on this Thilafushi island without proper management. The garbage dumped on this island without management is causing serious ecological and health issues in Maldives. Along with this pollution, there are other factors causing the destruction of corals: physical damage, sedimentation, nutrients from agriculture fertilizer, or we can say the organic waste, sewage discharges, animal waste, the pathogens, the trash and the microplastics, toxic substances, metals, inorganic chemicals, and pesticides from industrial discharge, mining activities, landfills runoff are all the causes of the pollution. And as we can see here, the before and after photos of the same coral reef at the Maldives. As a result of pollution, almost around 80% of the corals are destroyed. So now, there must be some solutions to save these corals. The control pollution, proper management of waste at the Maldives is really important. To save the corals from destruction, coral rehabilitation program was started. In this project, the corals are grown in observed and controlled conditions in a nursery. And then those small corals are added to the biodiversity where they regenerate and grow naturally. As we can see in these pictures, the corals are grown in a so-called coral nursery. Then they are moved away and attached to the sedimented rocks where they grow naturally, and the marine diversity is created. And along with this project, other solutions are being applied to save the corals. Hope in further years the number of coral increases and they are no longer in the list of dying off species. Thank you.